Welcome back everybody to Cooking with Transition. Today we are going to be making a fruit smoothie. So our ingredients, we're going to need a half a banana. We're going to need some almond milk, or you can use regular milk, whichever you prefer. And we need a half a cup of some mixed frozen berries. Today we're going to be using our blender. And we're going to have some cups so when we're done our smoothie can go into. We need to use some measuring cups to measure out the milk and the berries. And we have a spoon, because sometimes you have to mix things up in the blender, and a couple straws. I have a cutting board so I can cut the banana. Okay, let's start. First, you're going to cut your banana in half. Now have someone help you do this. Okay? Then you're going to peel your banana down one side, down the other side, until you get the whole banana off. Let me get a napkin for a second. Okay, we're going to cut up our banana in just a few pieces, so it'll be easier to blend it. Okay, I'm going to put the end in the trash. All right, we're going to go ahead and we're going to take it and we're going to put it in our blender. Next, we're going to take a cup of almond milk. Okay, this is my cup measurer. We're going to pour the milk in. Might be good to do it over the blender. Okay, now you're going to pour it into the blender. Next, we have our frozen fruit. We have some strawberries, it looks like blackberries and blueberry and raspberries, all kinds of berries. Let's see. Might be easier if I kind of do this so it's all in there. A couple more berries. All right, and same thing. Put it into your blender. All right. Now we're going to put our lid on the blender because you don't want it going everywhere. All right, so here on my blender, I have a button that says smoothie, so we're going to try it on that first. So here we go. Okay, I'm just going to take my spoon and make sure that everything's blended. If you feel anything kind of chunky, then go ahead and blend for just a little bit more. It's looking pretty good, so I think we're done. Next, we're going to take our cup. Okay. Now have someone help you do this. Sometimes it's hard and it's kind of heavy. Hold on. I'm going to switch it up. Okay. You just pour it in very carefully. There we go. Now, everyone, we can add a straw. And now you have something refreshing to drink, and it's healthy for you too. Goodbye, everybody. Until next time with Cooking with Transition.